Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. And I am so sorry I have not been here for majority of September. Y'all, remember how I told you I got a job? That job is a very big adjustment. Very big adjustment. But we will discuss this when we start this video. But if you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, 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 welcome. You get more welcomes because I haven't been on my stuff. So today we are going to do a budget with me video. We are going to basically stuff our second paycheck. We didn't really talk on the first paycheck. I was so unmotivated to set up this place up to start filming. I truly cannot wait to get my own house to set up a room for filming, so I don't have to keep breaking down the lights, put it back up the lights, breaking down the lights, putting it back in the lights. It's it's a lot, and the natural light doesn't come through that much where I am in this area of the room. So natural light is out of the question. It's all studio lights. So when you got studio lights, you gotta break it up and you gotta pack it up, and then you gotta put it back up and build it up to start filming again. So let's just get into this video, because we didn't even start the video. Let's just get into this video and we will have a chit chat. I was actually thinking about having a live where I discuss, where are you now? Like, where did you go? I'm gonna think about that, because my hair is dead. I'm looking cute. So as always, we are using Freeport Creations stickers. These are on the shop. If it's not, let me know, because juggling full-time job, full-time student, because I'm in grad school. If you are new and you don't know, I'm in grad school, and juggling side hustles such as YouTube and Etsy. Sometimes I forget to post things, but I have it ready to post, like what Asia Ciara just showed, the stickers that she purchased from me. And I remember, and I saw the video, and she posted like the flags, and I was like, oh wow, I really did create flags. Wow, now I have to go post it on and list it onto my shop. So if you don't see something that I have here, definitely hit me up and be like, sis, can you post it? I will. I'm not gonna call this a mommy brain. I don't know what brain this is, but my working memory needs to improve. Okay. So this is paycheck 2 of September. The thing with this sticker is it's very delicate. So don't just be pulling it willy-nilly, because you will break it. Like, I almost just broke it. So this is paycheck 2 of September. I know it's in October, but like I said, I get paid 2 times a month, and I'm not gonna name this October when it's really September, because then that throws me off and that throws you off. So let me put down these stickers and we will be back to chatting. Now that we got our amount, now let's go to bills. Oh my Lord, I'm becoming an adult, and these bills are becoming more. I mean, it's not as much. I feel like my bills compared to my income is like a roughly 5%, if 10. don't think it's 10, but like 5% of my income. So I'm not really stressed. So here's a new bill. Car insurance. Your girl, if you didn't know, I was saving up for a car. Please watch the videos. I'm so sorry for the background noise. My birds are chirping because it's early in the morning. I was going to do this at night when you're sleeping, but yeah, your girl fell asleep. So my birds are chirping. So if you hear that in the background, I am so sorry. And I think my brother is playing video games. Boom. So we're good. So the insurance is $199.66, but I'm just gonna put 200. I'm just gonna put 200. I need to change this because the first payment was given from my credit card because I had all my cash from my car savings in cash and not in a card. So when it was time to pay for when it was time to pay for car insurance, I had to put it on my credit card. So I have to go in the app and change the payment method to my debit card. So that's something your girl got to do. Then next is Apple Music. This paycheck is like low on bills because my bills are not top heavy, it's bottom heavy. So everything comes out mainly at the end of the month. So let's see what we have. So that is basically it. That's all the bills I have so far. Hopefully I'm not wrong. But those are so far. I have to do my October calendar view that I should be doing today. However, your girl got a lot of catching up to do. Catching up in her business, catching up in her relationship, catching up in not schoolwork, because if your work is late, your work is late. But trying to be ahead of the game with some schoolwork. So your girl got a lot going on. So just give me some grace, especially if you order from me. I try my best to get it out in time, but sometimes things get like pushed back. And I am the only person that works in my shop. I don't get help from anybody else. I know my boyfriend does offer to help, but he doesn't live with me. So it's very hard to get that help because I come home from work at like 6 o'clock every day. And then once I come home from work at 6 o'clock, I have to prep for work tomorrow or for the next week or grade some exams or create a study guide. The only reason why this week seems like it's going to be a little bit easier is because they're taking a week, and this week is their exams. So I might have a little bit more flexibility. My goal this week is to completely empty out my queue, completely ship out my orders, like not just have them in my bag, because I keep forgetting to go to the post office. It's very easy when you're home because you can call the post office people and tell them to pick up the order. But when you're on the go and you're active and you're going to work and you're doing this, it's very hard to remember. Like I said, my working memory is not there this season. It's not there. So, let's go to envelopes. I hope you don't think I'm complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm just really just trying to catch you guys up and have y'all know where I am right now at my mental state. I'm at a call for help stage. This is the stage. This is the stage where I am just going to ask people to help me. Even though I don't like to ask for help, I will ask for help. So gas is getting $50. I feel like this is a good medium because it's 25-25. I hope I didn't take out a full 50 for this. No, I didn't. Okay, so when I stuff my envelope, you'll see. But most likely, this is going to be straight into Cash App because I do not want to pay cash. I don't know. Being that I'm a new time car owner, I don't feel comfortable going into the gas station. I don't. So, and plus I'm a girl, and you know, there has been tales of girls being snatched up at the gas station. And I am not going to be the one. So, in that case, I'm just going to put my money in my Cash App card and use my Cash App card to pay for gas. Simple. Food is getting 50. So this is food like if I'm at work and I forgot my lunch and I want to do, you know, pick up a smoothie or whatever or coffee. This is where it would come from. However, the kids get lunch, and it's not like public school lunch because it's not a public school. They partner with a catering company, black-owned catering company, which is awesome. And they provide breakfast, lunch, snack for the kids. And my kids don't eat it. Like, they're so picky. They say it's no flavor. They say it's this. They say it's that. But what do you expect from 8th graders, actually? What do you expect? So what I do, I eat it. Because if you don't... Okay. So if you don't... If no one eats the food, they throw it out. And to me, that's very wasteful. To me, there's people out there that needs food. So what I'll do, I'll eat it. It'll make me feel better knowing that at least something else didn't go to the garbage. And I'm going to tell you right now, I saved me some money. I noticed I was saving me some money. Okay, grocery is going to be $60. Toiletries is going to be $40 because I do need to pick up a few things. Okay, all together we have 200. And then 200 from from 1,287 is 1,087. Now it's time for sinking funds. Sinking funds. All right. Sinking funds are my best friends. She loves me and I love her. Like, it's just like that. That's the way that's the way things go. That is the way things go. For starters, we're gonna do house. House savings is $50. That is a transfer. Savings challenge is $84. Travel is $100 because I need my passport. Self-care is $50. Snowball, which is going to be a flat. I'm just going to send it over now to the bank account. Not to the bank account, to the credit card. That's $500. I'm putting $500 to my credit card. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at me. Look at me. School is getting $100. MacBook I know I spelled MacBook wrong, but I'm not finding eraser is getting $100 as well. So boom. Look at me saving so much money. Who is this girl? Putting $500 to her credit card. Who is she? Who is she? Someone, please introduce me to this girl because we need to be best friends. All right. So altogether, it is supposed to be 984. 9, because what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 84. Yep, 984. And unfortunately, fortunately but unfortunately, there is a leftover. This is going to be my buffer. Talking about buffer, my bank took me off of student checking accounts and hit me with a $15 maintenance fee. The disrespect. Didn't even call me, didn't even check up on me and says, "Sis, how you doing? How has Corona affected you? Are you okay with me putting this $15 on your card?" I opened my bank account and I saw I was in the negative when I shouldn't have been. So I have a buffer of 103. I need to move my buffer into the 200s because I have 2 accounts. So it's like, it's the disrespect. So I know my budgets are normally zero-based budgets, but the way that these banks are rolling, I can't be zero-based. I need to have a buffer. Maybe next paycheck I'll be zero-based. Because y'all got me messed up. Super duper messed up. So this is basically it. I'm just putting the flags. I'm just placing the flags over here on each category, and then I will go back later on and calculate the percentile of each category. Hopefully that makes sense. Just to see how much of this income, what is the percentage of this income that went to envelopes, what's the percentage of this income that went to sinking funds, what is the percentage of this income went to bills, like to really see where's my heavy hitters. But as you can see, my heavy hitters are my savings. Your girl is on it. So that is basically it for this video. We will see you in the next one when I am stuffing my envelopes. I'll see you later. Bye.